Basilica, Ivy Masters Learning Center, and ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at the 14th question from the digital SAT. Test 1, Module 2. It's from the Blue Book app, the easier set of reading and writing questions. And number 14 asks, which choice most logically completes the text? So we're going to go to the text, of course. One thing I want to point out here is the word bipedalism. Bi means two, as in a bicycle having two wheels. The PED there could mean child, as in pedagogy, which is instruction usually given to children, or a pediatrician, a child's doctor. But here the PED means feet, as in a pedestrian is one who travels by foot, and a pedal is a foot lever. So put together, we've got bi meaning two, ped meaning feet, 2 feet. A bipedalism is describing animals that travel on 2 feet, as opposed to quadrupeds like cats and dogs travel on 4 horses. And the paragraph begins, one theory behind human bipedalism speculates that it originated in a mostly ground-based ancestor that practiced 4-legged knuckle-walking like chimpanzees and gorillas do today, and eventually evolved into moving upright on 2 legs. Now, I do wonder why it says mostly ground-based. That's what I wonder at this point, because I'm thinking ancestors of humans did not live in water and they did not fly. Let's read on to see what they're talking about. Here we have the word but, so paragraphs change in direction, so I really want to pay attention to what comes after the but. But recently, researchers observed orangutans, another relative to humans, standing on 2 legs on tree branches and using their arms for balance while they reached for fruits. These observations may suggest that. So now, not only do we know what's different than ground-based, it would be maybe the ancestors of humans lived in trees like orangutans. Big word for that is arboreal, arbor meaning relating to trees. And maybe ancestors of humans were hanging around the tree branches and using their arms for balance while they reach for fruits. So, which choice most logically completes the text? Answer choice A. Bipedalism evolved because it was advantageous to tree-dwelling ancestors of humans. That looks like a great fit. I want to just choose it, but let's read the other answer choices. Answer choice B. Bipedalism must have evolved simultaneously with knuckle-walking and tree climbing. So notice we've got the but there. What that suggests is an alternate theory, not knuckle-walking, tree climbing instead, not both. Not at the same time. There's nothing that suggests at the same time simultaneously. Answer C, moving between ground and trees would have been difficult without bipedalism. Now it's talking about living on the ground, then it's talking about living in trees. It's not talking about going from one to the other in any part of the paragraph. Answer choice D, a knuckle-walking human ancestor could have easily moved bipedally in trees. And it's not talking about one doing the other. Answer choice A looks like our best answer. Once again, bipedalism evolved because it was advantageous to a tree-dwelling ancestors of humans, which is what it's talking about after the but. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with these reading comprehension questions that most logically complete the text. Is there any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT? Leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out our 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.